Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make this classic and delicious chicken salad. And if you love this recipe, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. This chicken salad recipe is incredible because you can eat it in a wide variety of ways. You can definitely make a sandwich with it, you could do a lettuce wrap, and you can even put it on a salad. Because I'm working from home so often these days, I'm always looking for super fast ways to put lunch on the table, and this chicken salad recipe is perfect for that. Our first step is to dice one celery stalk. You can make these pieces basically as big or small as you really want to. I kind of like them medium size. I don't want the celery to be super chunky and overpower the rest of the chicken salad. Okay, now we're gonna toss this into a bowl. Next, we're gonna dice 2 tablespoons worth of red onion. I like to make my pieces of onion a lot smaller than I would my celery, and the reason for that is that onion has such a stronger flavor to it. Next, we're gonna chop up 1/4 cup of pecans. I like using pecans in my chicken salad, but you could also use almonds or walnuts too. You cannot have chicken salad without your chicken, of course, so I bought a rotisserie chicken. This is my little tip for how to save pretty much the most amount of time is that at the beginning of each week, I buy 1 rotisserie chicken and I use it to make chicken salad, and then any other things that I want to eat during the week, I just use the chicken for. So let's take it out of here. You could also, if you want to be a little bit more home cooked, if you will, if you want to cook the chicken yourself, of course you can. You can boil a chicken breast and it's just super easy and fast. I'm going to use both of these chicken breasts here. The recipe that I came up with calls for 1/2 pound. You can, of course, use dark meat too if you want to use chicken thigh or even cut some of the meat from the chicken leg. That's great. And I actually really like that because it gives a little bit more flavor. But for this purpose, I'm just going to use the 2 breasts. How big you cut your chicken is completely up to you. It's all personal preference. Some people like really small pieces of chicken, almost kind of like shredded. I like chunkier bits, more like this. Now we're going to add our mayonnaise. We're gonna use 1/3 of a cup. Now I'm gonna add my Greek yogurt. If you wanted to make this recipe even healthier than it already is, which I know is a bit of a sacrilege to people that really love chicken salad, but what I would do is just use Greek yogurt and not use any mayo at all. This is gonna be 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Dijon mustard gives this recipe a nice little tang. Now I'm just gonna add just a little bit of a spritz of lemon juice, and how much a spritz is, that's about 1 teaspoon in my language. So 1 teaspoon of lemon juice straight into the bowl. All right, let's give this a mix. Oh, this is already looking so good. All that's left to do is add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. This chicken salad is looking absolutely perfect. I cannot wait to give it a taste. But before I do, if you like this recipe and you want to see other ones just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. All right, let's give it a taste. What I love about this chicken salad is that it really has like so many great textures in it. You've got this creaminess from the mayo and the yogurt. You also have this incredible crunch from the celery and the onion. It's really just perfect. Make it at the beginning of the week as a meal prep for the rest of the week. You can have it for about 2 to 3 days in the fridge. You guys are gonna love this one. Definitely give it a try. I'll see you in the next video.